Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Facebook posts public. When you share content, Facebook offers various audience options. Choosing public ensures your post is visible to everyone, including people outside your friend list. This setting is crucial for broader reach, whether for personal updates or business promotions. Always double-check your audience selection before hitting post to ensure your message reaches its intended audience. To ensure all your future posts are public by default, navigate to your Facebook settings. Under Privacy, you'll find an option to control who can see your future posts. Changing this to public means you won't have to manually select it every time. This saves time and ensures consistent visibility for your content. Remember, you can always override this default for individual posts if you need more specific privacy.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music, getting news, or even controlling your smart home, all with your voice. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Sometimes you might want to change the audience of a post you've already shared. To do this, simply go to your profile and find the specific post. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the post. From the drop-down menu, select Edit Audience and then choose Public. This allows you to expand the reach of older content, making it visible to a wider audience. Making your posts public offers significant advantages. For individuals, it helps build a personal brand or share important life updates with a wider circle. Businesses can reach a much larger potential customer base, boosting engagement and sales. Public posts are essential for sharing news, events, or any content intended for general consumption. It's the most effective way to maximize your message's impact on Facebook.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.